Part 2 of seeing which slime my cat likes the most, based on how entertaining and satisfying it is to Benny. Marshmallow Fluff. Here he comes. He loved watching it drizzle. He even watched me squish it. Next up is McCarran Fluff. He got comfortable for this show. He watched me squish it for a bit. Next is Celestial Boba. He seemed bored watching this. Next is Enchanted Goose Pond. He sat down again to watch this. He was looking at it, but it seems like he's looking at the container. He watched it the whole time. Once again, he doesn't care about Sweet Honey Cold Foam. Enchanted Goose Pond strikes another point. This is definitely his favorite.